Here is the copper that I got out of this motor. It's about 13 ounces, so about 2/3 of a pound. The technique that worked for me was I got in here with my big screwdriver and I widened some of these slots. You can see this one's very wide. This one right here is not. And once I was able to widen them, it was a lot easier to push the copper in and out. And I started with the thinner secondary windings. They were a little bit easy to work with. And it was kind of exponential. The first probably 20% of the wire took me half hour to an hour to get out. And the last half of the wire probably came out in about 10 minutes once I had the technique down. And once you get some of the wire out of the way, it gets easier to get the rest of it. Cutting this wire in the color caught me off guard, and I just stripped away this gold insulation and it does not look like copper. It feels like it could be aluminum, kind of the color of aluminum. So I think this is possibly a waste. It was a Kenmore disposer, and when I went to disassemble it, there were only 2 bolts holding the entire motor together, and there was supposed to be 3. So I'm wondering if the fact that one of the bolts was never installed or became missing, that the entire motor didn't sit together as tightly as it should, and maybe this sat down and didn't nest so well in the socket, and that caused it to round over and eventually fail. So here is the harvest. I took a closer look at this wire, which I thought was copper, and peeling away the insulation, it's very silvery in color. So I don't think any of the wire in the motor was actually copper. I think it's all aluminum. And this was 48 grams. These all together are 220. So 267, 268 in total grams of presumably aluminum wire. This copper came out of the other pieces of the wire, the leads, etc. Not much there, 6 grams. And this came out of the contact for the thermal shutoff. Looks like a copper strip, and that actual contact might be silver. And I don't even know if it's going to register, yeah, so that's much less than a gram. So there you have it. I will leave it up to you to figure out if you think it's worth it.